Alright, what's up? So back on the trade recap. Finally back on my setup. Uh, the past 3 weeks have been pretty good. I actually got my first payout last week. Um, Took solid trades, kind of changed my system a little bit to like 1 RR, and yet going for base hits. So the trade I took today, coming into the market, um, I was kind of bearish at first, right? Because on the 4 hour, you can see we're extremely bearish, but on the 1 hour, we're starting to move to the upside to rebalance the range. So I was more so, this is why I marked out equilibrium of the hourly range and daily range. I wanted to see us rebalance since we're starting to come up and, um, you know, pre-market and start to head towards equilibrium of the range. So my condition was this 1 hour gap. So I marked out the 1 hour gap, and the big change for me was earlier. I know some people took the setup. ES actually tapped into this 1 hour before NQ, but if you guys learn true manipulation, that's when both pairs are actually in a place to distribute. So once we actually got the tap and both pairs were in a spot of distribution, we tapped into this 1 hour gap. That's when I wanted to see us distribute on NQ, and my inverse was this 2 minute inverse. For me, it was the cleanest. We also had a 1 minute CISD right here, which wasn't the cleanest. And Mondays usually aren't the cleanest, so I didn't trade because I just passed 3 Top Step accounts. I didn't trade the 3 Top Step accounts. I just traded these, just because of the conditions. But yeah, so this is, pretty clean trade right here. It took a while because we kept wavering around. So due to conditions, it's not that volatile. We don't have news. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade. And it started to we started to reject here. I didn't want to take the risk because I'm just going for winning days anyway. So I just took off here. So my exit was like 1 to 1, which is fine anyway, because that's what I'm going for now. Anyway, I'm not looking for the whole move. Just want to catch a piece, keep a high win rate. And I'll show you here. As you can see, I started the account Friday. I've been green, and then I had one losing day on Monday, which comes with low volatility. It was literally, I had the right bias, but just didn't play out. So after that, I needed 2 more winning days. I took a payout on Wednesday for like 800. So you can see here, got my payout, withdrew it, and then passed 3 Top Step accounts as well, which I've yet to activate, which I'll probably start trading next or Tuesday, tomorrow. So as you can see here, 200 today. So I just need 2 more winning days, and then I can take another payout, max payout for 1500. Then I'll actually start to scale up because I proved it to myself that I could be consistent, and yeah, that I'm not a retard anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. I want to see this 1 hour gap respected. Both pairs look good. The only downside to this trade was that the fact that ES did inverse this 1 hour gap, but when I actually zoomed in, we were still respecting this 15 minute fair value gap here. So, and we actually had a CRT model kinda. So we had first candle, second candle manipulation, third candle distribution to this high. So that was really what gave me conviction in it, and the fact that we manipulated these lows and then immediately started, seeing us move to the upside, and we inverse this 2 minute gap. So yeah, that's pretty much the thought process on it. And yeah, I'll come back with another trade recap. So yeah.